Welcome back to our update for SMCI, guys. Today we have to discuss the price action for tomorrow, Monday. Before we gonna go further in our video, just remember our video is just for educational purposes only, and of course, it don't provide any financial advice, and nothing shown here is guarantee for profit or investment results. Trading involve risks. So let's get right to it, guys, and discuss SMCI because last Friday we closed almost neutral around the 48, and of course we discuss the $50 65 that we tested twice last week and this week, of course, and then we traded down below the 50. So last week, guys, we just have accumulation zone below the 50 because we have a two tests and the price didn't break because we don't have the enough buyer to break this resistance. The good thing is we actually reverse from the almost the 39 or over the $40, almost 23% in span of few days. So this is normal. After a huge jump, we always consolidate. You see what's happened here back in the 9th of May when we discussed this breakout around this flag. Let me just show you exactly what happened here, guys. We have this flag after the earnings, of course, and we got this breakout happen exactly around the 33.23, and the price pumped up almost 50% here. And after that, you see what's happened here. We have a pullback, consolidation, and then again 23% happened just right there around this level, which is the $40, guys. So you see, this is normal that we got a bit of consolidation zone. The trick is we don't know exactly when the next pump will happen, but we know where the price, when will it trigger this pump, which is around the 50.65. For now, we have a consolidation zone. So hopefully we don't have the same consolidation zone that we had in May, because we did almost 1 month of consolidation after this huge jump. But this time we didn't jump 40%, but just 20%. So I expect a bit of consolidation and then jumping over the 56. For now, guys, we have the 44 to actually hold to confirm that we're still strong, because we don't want to have the price breaking the 44.70 and go toward the 39. Will be a weakness. However, if we hold the 44.70, will be a big sign that we're gonna have a quicker jump for the next time around the 56.66, then the 66.30, which is the main level that we should test after we break the 50.56. So right now, let's see how much we expect to do if we broke this level. We expect 30% here and 14%. Again, guys, those kind of level is projection price in the future, so it's not guaranteed that we're gonna have this price level or this 30%. However, just from the technical side, we see that there's a potential for this jump if only we break this orange line around the 50.56. So right now we have a bit of consolidation. We have a bit of news last time about the shareholders and what the long-term investor actually is expecting from the in the future about the news coming up for SMCI. Of course, we have many news coming up for SMCI, especially with the SPY, because right now the SPY doing fantastically good. We have almost the all-time high for the SPY, or over the all-time high around the 625. So you see, guys, even the market as a whole, we have a really good turning point here once we have the news of the tariff, and after that, boom, we have a V-shaped recovery. Remember this V-shaped recovery, guys, we have it back in COVID, and right now happened again for the SPY, especially noticeable in the SPY. Once we have this pullback from 600 until the 400, then we reverse again to all-time high. So that's why we have a really good market right now, especially for SMCI and Nvidia and AMD, the other semiconductor stock that doing really good right now because of the SPY doing pretty good. And this is show us how healthy the market is right now. Before we have a bit of fear, right now we have a bit of greed regarding SMCI, and especially even for cryptos, because Bitcoin right now is going near the all-time high around the 110. And why are we talking about the crypto, guys? Because crypto right now is like the SPY. Many of whales and market maker actually bought big chunk of the Bitcoin. Even like many companies tend to actually turn to invest in Bitcoin. So that's why we have a huge buying pressure around the 980 or around the 100K. And right now it's getting near around a new all-time high for Bitcoin. And of course, this is will might give us another kick for SMCI over the 50.56, which is, as we said before, the main level that we have to break this year, because this is the split price target that we had before a few years ago. So right now, once we break the 50 and hold over it, guys, we need to hold over the $50 to have a confirmation that the SMCI will turn around and go to the bullish side toward the 56 and $66. We're going to update the other levels for SMCI that might go to after we break this level, of course, by tomorrow on Monday, where we discuss the market live. First, guys, on our Discord. If you don't know, now you know. We always do live streaming here on our Discord, and we do, of course, chart update for many stocks. As you can see here, last time we did for Wolf, that it was really great because it broke the $1.30 and went until the $1.50. We have the other stock did really great, SONN, which we spotted this reversal back in last week in the 1st of July, of course, and the price now is over the $3 and still going higher. So we're gonna update you guys about those levels for those stocks that jumping like this every day on our Discord, and be sure in the link in the comment section below, guys, if you want to join our exclusive content. And of course, after that, we're gonna discuss SMCI exactly 30 minutes before the market open on our YouTube channel as usual. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and join our channel, because you'll be notified once you subscribe and put a notification on to our live streaming that we do daily, guys. Thank you for watching. Of course, if you have any question, just put it down below, guys. If you have any question, put it down below regarding SMCI or other stocks you think we should focus on in the meantime, because we have a plug doing all right actually lately. So we might do a special video for plug, because many of you ask me about that. And of course, plug have a lot of things going on, from cash flow problems and revenue problems. Right now we have a huge loan of over 1 billion. This is will might give us a big like a squeeze from below for a plug, and actually be the next stock that we should watch, because right now is near the $2 $1, and before it was almost $70. So we're gonna discuss plug in the coming days. If you let me know, if you comment plug down below, and if we have 10 people commenting plug down below, we're gonna do a special video for plug for the next day. So let me know in the comment section below, guys. And of course, thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.